Now, I've been part of the Team Pixel since the Pixel 3 XL that I received a few years ago. I've been using the Pixel 5 as my main smartphone for the last year or so, and I've been absolutely loving it. But I really wanted a flagship from Google, really to challenge what is out there from Apple and Samsung, and I think they might have just delivered such a phone. This is the Google Pixel 6 Pro that I just took delivery of. And this is a 6.7-inch display, 120 hertz OLED display. The cameras are very, very much improved. We're going to see very good photos. We're going to see very good videos. Unfortunately, I'm under embargo and I can't show you that just yet. But I have been using it for the past week, and I gotta say, it's been spectacular. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the brand new Pixel 6 Pro. Coming up.
And as we take a look at the specs, I want to let everybody know, in the interest of transparency and full disclosure, I'm not being paid by Google. I'm not being sponsored by Google. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Google is not getting copy approval. That means they're seeing this video for the first time, just like you. Now, Google provided this unit free of charge for me to keep, but again, they're not getting any editorial content approval at all. It's all my own opinions. Pricing for the Pixel 6 Pro starts at $899, and that comes with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. Comes in 3 different colors: cloudy white, sorta sunny, and what I have here today, Stormy Black. Now, this has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. And with the specs and pricing out of the way, let's find out what you get inside the box. Let's open it up. Now, one thing I have to say is Team Pixel did an outstanding job in terms of presentation and sending out this marketing material. Really good job in that regard. And I must admit that I'm kind of relieved that they did send me the Stormy Black, which I'm a big fan of. Nothing against the 2 other colors, just like that Stormy Black the best out of the 3 choices. Now, due to the dual embargo in place, I'm only allowed to show you the hardware today, and I can show you the home screen. I can't show you any of the performance numbers. I can't show you the cameras as far as examples of photos or videos and stuff like that. We'll get into all that very soon. But right now, let's focus on the hardware. Now, we'll get to the unit in a moment, but inside the box, you do get some documentation. You also get a SIM ejector tool, and you get a USB-A to USB-C adapter. We've seen that included in other Pixels in the past. Now, one thing to note, you get a USB-C cable, but you don't get the actual power adapter. They've stopped including it, taking a page out of Apple's playbook. Now, holding this unit for the first time, the first thing that comes to mind is, wow, this is actually premium. It's a flagship in every regard. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving this Stormy Black. Team Pixel also sent over the case for me to check out that goes with the 6 Pro, and I gotta say, it's a pretty nice fit, although you'll have some really good choices from third-party vendors. And it goes without saying, it's a perfect fit with the Pixel 6 Pro, as you see here. And one thing the case does, it hides the camera bar's protrusion that you get without the case. That's good. Now, the build is excellent on the Pixel 6 Pro. The Stormy Black color is covered in Gorilla Glass Victus, making it pretty durable and scratch resistant. Hopefully that will hold up over time. It's powered by Google's own Tensor chip, has 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, has 128 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage, and is secured by the Titan M2 security chip. Now, as far as the display is concerned, we're looking at a QHD Plus resolution. That's 1440 by 3120, and it's a 6.7-inch display, giving you plenty of screen real estate compared to the Pixel 5 I used last year. And with the 120 Hz refresh rate, everything is very smooth and fluid. You gotta love it. And as you can see, this is a pretty gorgeous display. Of course, I can't show you more than I'm showing you now, but needless to say, this is a pretty awesome display. We'll get into it very soon. And you're looking at a triple camera setup on the back, a 50 megapixel wide-angle lens, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And wait till you see the examples on this very soon. When I can show it to you, you're going to be blown away. It's that good. And that camera bar does stick out quite a bit, and it will collect dust, as you see here. And it has an 11.1 megapixel front-facing camera capable of doing 4K video. And for those wondering, if you do live in the United States and buy the Pixel 6 Pro from an official retailer or carrier, it works with a sub-6 and millimeter wave 5G without exception. That's pretty good. Now, I've switched my main SIM out of the Pixel 5 that I've been using up till now, and it's now in the Pixel 6 Pro. I've been putting it through its paces, and rest assured, I'm really liking it. I wish I could tell you more. That will come very soon. But I think they've got a really nice flagship on their hands. This might just be a game changer.
So what do you think about this bad boy, the 6 Pro? And I gotta say, so far, this has lived up to the expectations. Of course, I can't talk about the benchmarks. I can't talk about all the numbers that I've been seeing so far, as far as the cameras are concerned in terms of the photo and video. But I can tell you this, I've moved my main SIM out of the Pixel 5 into this, and now has become my daily driver. I've been putting it through its paces, and what I've been seeing so far has been great. Hardware is first rate. It is a flagship level. The aesthetics look great. I love this Stormy Black. Right now I have the case on it that comes with it, or at least the one that was sent to me. There'll be great third-party alternatives in terms of putting a different case on it, of course, but I have been very, very impressed with this, and I can't wait to bring you a full review very soon. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in that comments section below. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.